Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to present about precast concrete piles. Okay, this is my team member. So my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Zul Samsudin. So next, introduction. Precast concrete piles are ready-made foundation elements made from reinforced concrete in a factory. They are used to support heavy structure by transferring loads to strong soil layer underground. These piles are transported to the site and driven into the ground using heavy machinery like a drop hammer. They are strong, durable, and quick to install, making them ideal for use in areas with soft or weak soil. Precast piles are commonly used in bridge, roads, building, and infrastructure projects because they save time and ensure quality. Okay, next objective. So we have three objectives for this project. First, to analyze the application and effectiveness of precast concrete piles. Two, to examine the installation process of using precast piles. And last, to identifying key factors such as soil condition.
Hello, my name is Muhammad bin Waldin. So, I will present to you about the project background. For our case study, our group has chosen a construction site for the West Coast Expressway or WCE. This new phase of the highway that's connect Banting to Tanjung Karang. The entire project site is quite large. However, for safety reasons, we were only allowed to access a certain area, which is shown in the red perimeter in the figure. Even though we could only enter a small part of the site, it still gave us a good understanding of the construction process, safety measures, and how the project is managed. This location was useful for us to observe real construction work and collect the data we needed for our study. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Zarfan bin Ahmad Kamal. So I will talk about method of installation for precast concrete piles. The first step of this method is site preparation. So this step is to level and compact the soil to support heavy equipment, clear access road and remove all obstruction. So basically this step means the ground must be flat and firm enough to safely hold the weight of piling machine, cranes and other construction equipment without sinking or becoming unstable. Next is step 2. Step 2 is to mobilization of equipment. So this step is to mobilize piling equipment to site, conduct safety briefing and inspection, and to ensure proper setup before starting work. This step is very crucial to make the work is on perfect and successful. Next is step 3, which is pile lifting and positioning. This step lift the precast pile vertically using crane or clamp, ensuring proper lifting points are used to prevent damage and align the pile in the guide frame. Maintain vertically before driving. Step 4, which is pile driving. Drive the pile using a diesel or hydraulic hammer. Monitor blow count and continue until design depth or refusal is reached as per geotechnical spec. Next is step 5, which is splicing. Splice another pile segment using approved welding or connectors when depth exceeds one pile length. Ensure proper alignment and joint strength before continuing driving. So this step is when the depth is not enough for one pile, you need to connect another pile to the another pile to make it more depth. So this can make sure the piling reach the target of depth. And the next is step 6, which is cutting the pile head. Trim the pile head to the cut-off level using a breaker or saw. Remove damaged concrete and expose reinforcement bar for connection. So this step, you have to trim the pile head to make sure the reinforcement bar are getting exposed to make it connect to another apartment. Next is step 7, which is inspection and testing. Record pile ID, length, depth, hammer type, blow count, and splicing. Perform PIT, PDA, or load tests if required to verify pile quality. So this is picture of example inspection and testing. So in the left picture, which is the inspection testing of the pile work, and the right picture is the testing of quality pile. So every pile has their own unit number and their series number. And the next step is step 8, which is pile cap preparation. So this step, clean exposed pile heads and check reinforcement bar. Install formwork and fix pile cap reinforcement as per approved drawing before concreting. So this step, we have to clean the exposed reinforcement bar to make sure they are clean and soon enough to connect the another alignment.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. So in this presentation, I will explain for my part, which is the last part for the conclusion. So for the conclusion, the use of precast concrete piles in the WCE Tanjung Karang project provided a strong and stable foundation, especially on soft coastal soils. It helped speed up construction, ensure consistent quality through factory control, production, and reduce alignment errors. This kind of pile also lower environmental impact with less waste, noise, and vibration. Overall, this method improve construction efficiency, cost effectiveness, and long-term structural performance for the highway. So, further explain, by using this method, construction work could be complete faster because there was no need to cast concrete on site. It also helped reduce issues like misalignment as each pile was produced to precise specifications. From an environmental perspective, precast piles cause less disruption since they produce less construction waste, generate less noise, and create less ground vibration compared to other piling methods. So for the overalls, choosing precast concrete piles improve overall project efficiency, help manage costs, and contribute to the long-term durability and safety of the highway structure. Um, so that's all for our presentation. Thank you.